Yes, I have a little crushed pepper on there, a little hot sauce. Look at that hot sauce, boy. See what it tastes like. Man, you gotta try this one. Woo, buddy, come on now. Hey, what's up, guys? Just had a great workout. Now it's time to hit the store. Man, I made this meal 2 times this weekend. And man, it's great. Tasted great. Super easy to make. Only a few ingredients. So since I ate it 2 times this weekend, I gotta stop by the store and go get some ingredients. So I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna let you know what to get. We're gonna take it home. We're gonna cook it up real quick. It's gonna give you a lot of protein. If you wanna keep the carbs low, go this route. If not, you can add a little bit to it. I'll let you know what to add to it. Appreciate everybody subscribing. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you know, for more content like this, I'm always trying to put out content where I go shopping for you, where I'm making you meals, where I'm working out, where I'm just showing you how to be healthy, both mentally and physically. And let's keep getting better, y'all. So let me go hit the store real quick and I'll see you in a second. Let's go. All right, guys, super simple. What I like to do is grab some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs taste great. Now they have a little more fat than actual just chicken breast, but chicken thighs, man, the flavor, the texture of them is just great. So get you some chicken thighs. I would recommend that. You can also go with chicken breast if you want to keep it a little more less fat. Go with chicken breast, but I'm telling you, you try these chicken thighs, man, it's gonna taste good. Then also go to the frozen section and get you some type of, this one's called the Asian Inspired blend. So get you some type of frozen vegetables. Just pick one that has a bunch of vegetables in it that you would like, okay? So we're gonna make just we're gonna make just a chicken stir fry. So pick you up one of these. Kroger's has these, but each store has different ones that you can get. So what we're gonna do is keep these in the freezer because you can use them all the time. This really helped over the weekend. Whenever I had to make this meal super quick, I was like, you know what? I had these in the freezer, I had the chicken, I was ready to go. So we're just gonna take this home and cook it up. Make sure you grab some of these, okay? Keep these in stock, all right? All right, guys, I'm back here at the house. I don't know if you can hear chicken, but it's already cooking. I already put that chicken on there because, man, I'm getting hungry. I'm ready to eat. So let me show you some of the ingredients I'm gonna use for this chicken. Like I said, I made this meal 2 times this past weekend, and it's almost too easy to make, and it's so good. I'm using chicken thighs. Once again, you can use chicken breast if you want to. Now, chicken breasts are a little more dry, however, they do have less fat. So if you're really trying to watch your fats, if you're going on a real low-fat diet, then go ahead and go with the chicken breast. If you don't mind the fats and you want a little more flavor and a little more texture in the chicken, go with chicken thighs, okay? So what I did is I weighed out 8 ounces of chicken thighs. You don't have to weigh out 8 ounces, whatever fits your macros. Go ahead and weigh that much out. But let me show you the sauces and spices that I'm gonna use, and it just makes it so easy. You can mix and match or however you wanna cook your chicken, but let me show you what I'm gonna use here. Okay, first up, we're gonna have the G. Hughes sugar-free stir-fry sauce. You can find this at Walmart or HEB. Here's a teriyaki marinade. I like to use both of them, so I use a little bit of each one, and it just tastes so good. I also cook the chicken in this right here, this pure avocado oil. All right, get your healthy fats in there, so cook the chicken in that. And then you can go with a less sodium soy sauce if you want to. That's fine. Or if you ever had, if you can find this is really good as well. If you're really trying to watch your sodium levels, liquid aminos is great. And then I'm gonna just top it off with a little chili sauce. This stuff is great. All right, give a little spice and flavor. Frozen veggies, I'm gonna use the Asian Inspired blend. It's got all kind of goodies in there. Okay, so whichever one you want to use, I'd highly recommend just getting some of these, keeping them in the freezer. Makes it so easy whenever you need them. You don't have to use the entire bag. Use however much you want. I don't even measure this out. I just dump this joker on there because, I mean, veggies are so good for you, okay? So, and if you are not concerned about carbs, it goes great over some jasmine rice. If you can't get these right here, these ready in 90 seconds, these are so easy. You put them in the microwave. I'd recommend you only use half the package, save the other half for some other time. But if you don't mind the carbs, put all this over some rice and it tastes amazing, okay? But if you're going low carb or no carb, don't worry about the rice, all right? Of course, I'm just using chicken thighs. Okay, get those chicken thighs, man. They're good, I'm telling you. So 8 ounces of chicken thighs is what I'm using. Show you the chicken cooking. We got the chicken cooking. All I added in was a little bit of pepper on top for right now. And I'm gonna let that go ahead cook, flip it. I'm gonna add those frozen veggies, cover it, and it's gonna be ready in minutes, all right? So I'll be right back. While it's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Just look at that, just flip it. It's cooking in that avocado oil. What I like to do is just dump the vegetables in there. Dump however much you want to in there. This is the bag I used over the weekend, so that's why I had to get another bag. Actually, I'm gonna add some more of that other one that I just bought. Get a little more. Carrot trying to run away there. Get back in there. Because veggies are so good. Now, you don't have to eat this entire meal if you don't want to. It's gonna be a lot of food, but it tastes great. But if you want to, just split it up. I just want to start hitting it with the sauce, or as you need it. Hit it with the teriyaki. This one's a little thicker. I'm gonna go a little liquid aminos. Now watch out with this. You don't want to put too much. You add this as you need it. So a lot of times it'll be okay, just sprinkle a little bit on there in here. But a lot of times add this afterwards, okay? So that's basically it. You just put it in there, cover it up, let that joker cook for a few minutes. You'll be eating in no time. No more boring chicken and veggies. Look at that. All we have here is chicken thighs and veggies. Man, it's still steaming, ready to eat. Now this plate right here is coming in around 44, 45 grams of protein, somewhere around there. So you're getting your protein, you're getting your veggies. I didn't even add up the carbs because who cares, because it's all just veggies. I'm gonna hit it with this hot sauce. Also, what I like to use, I forgot to mention this, crushed red pepper. Tastes great on this meal. If you like crushed red pepper, add this to this chicken. And I'm telling you, man, it just tastes great. So check it out. Let me know what you think. If you like adding crushed red pepper, you definitely have to try this meal out. Like I said, this is gonna be my third time having it. And it's just almost too easy to make. Try this chicken out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you've had something like this, what I can add to it. But I try to keep my recipes as simple as possible. I threw the chicken on when I got home from the store. As I was unloading the groceries, I went ahead and fired up the avocado oil and then threw the chicken on, covered it up as I was unloading the groceries. So I try to make this as easy as possible, as quick as possible, as tasty as possible, of course, as healthy as possible. So all these meals that I'm making, this is stuff, I mean, I think about the meals and I'm like, you know what, let me make a video, hopefully help you out as well, show you how easy it is. You know, mix and match some of the sauces if you want to. Try new things, go out there and try new things. If you're at the store and you see a sauce, you're like, man, that'll probably look, you know, go good on some chicken. Make sure you check the macros on it. Make sure you check the label, because you don't know what's in all those sauces. You know, it could really put you over. But usually for the most part, as long as you do it in moderation, you'll be fine, okay? Try to make your meals at home. I always express that. Try to make your meals at home because you know exactly what you're putting in there. This meal is great. I'm gonna eat this entire plate because I'm hungry and I've eaten this, like I said, a couple times already. You don't have to eat the entire plate. You can do half now, half later. Meal prep it, okay? You can have lunch today, lunch tomorrow, maybe lunch and dinner, however you wanna do it, however you wanna make it. This is 44 grams of protein, so however you wanna make it. But let me know in the comments what you think. I'll keep making these videos. Let me know if there's something I can add to it, and subscribe to my channel if you like stuff. You know, if you like content like this, I'll keep cranking out this content and showing you all the meals that I'm making. The way I stay lean year round is by eating stuff like this, okay? So just adjust it towards your macros. Remember, macros are your proteins, your fats, and your carbs. So make sure you're tracking everything. I always recommend MyFitnessPal. I can't say that enough. Make sure you're tracking. If you ain't tracking, you're slacking, okay? You gotta know where you stand. So make sure you're tracking everything. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this because, man, it smells good. It's right here. And I'm like, man, I'm just ready. I'm about to put those that crushed pepper on there. I'm about to go to town on this one. So let me know what you think. I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.